Hi, my name is Hezbollah and I am presenting my final year project presentation. And in last video we have discussed types of recommendation system. So in this video we will give a short info about proposed methodology. What was my proposed methodology? So my system is using collaborative approach and content based approach. Okay, so basically it is a kind of recommendation hybrid recommendation system in which we are using two kinds of recommendation system: collaborative filtering and content based filtering. Okay, the system which I implemented is in Python framework Django is a web-based framework which is highly in demand nowadays in industry. Okay, so we will be using Django framework. I have used two approaches of collaborative filtering. So collaborative filtering, we have used two approaches. The one is culturing based algorithm k-nearest neighbor, which is in short we can call it KNN, and the second one is matrix factorization. Okay, so we will be using these two approaches in collaborative filtering, and in content based filtering I use term frequency inverse document frequency method. In short we can call it TF-IDF. Okay, first of all we will need some data set. So we will provide a data set of Amazon have a very authentic data set. At that data set we have some 1.1 millions ratings of 2,70,000 books by 90,000 plus users. These are the user in that data set which we downloaded from Amazon. Okay, the information in the data set consists of three tables, or we can call it three info. The one is ratings, the second one is books info, and the third one is user info. Okay, in the next videos we will give some introduction on how k-nearest neighbor works in theory, and then we will discuss about matrix factorization, and after that we will discuss about term frequency, and then we will see some similarity measurements used in these techniques, and after that we will see some of experimental results which generated in our system, and then we will see accuracy of our system. So see you in the next videos.